Hello everyone, welcome back to my vlog. This is not just a vlog but a tribute to my alma mater. Yes, you are watching our Pannagar Alumni Meet 2025 Hyderabad chapter. So it was not just about reuniting with the seniors, juniors, and batchmates, but about reliving the memories, reconnecting with our roots, and reigniting the spirit that binds us together, that is our alma mater. So here comes our chief guest, who is Dr. H.S. Chawla जी. एंड सर के आने के बाद इवेंट में एक अलग ही जान आ गई. And then finally, our event was about to begin with the last minute of preparations, but it was beautifully hosted by our senior Monica ma'am and our junior Swarnima. And the event started with the lighting of diyas by our respected sir Dr. H.S. Chawla and all the respected seniors, and then finally with the university song.
Nika Ratela, ID number 38396.
And I am Swarnama Kanyal, ID number 57149. We both of us are proud alumni of Pannagar, and it is an honor entrusted to us by our seniors to be anchored.
The spirit and energy of Pannagarians present here. So we will.
Thank you very much from my side, and again welcome all of you, and especially the thanks for the senior and Press Verma Saab and Chawla Saab. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for setting up such a formal theme. So,
I think in fact Sunil was one of the leading figures in earlier ones as long as he was here in Hyderabad. हम लोग कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि वही लेगेसी मेंटेन करें. If I remember right, सबसे पहले हमला हुआ था 2011 में, राइट सुनील? 2011-12 के टाइम में हुआ था.
Thank you so much. All together. Yay. Thank you so much. Now that was the spirit of Pannagarians present here. So thank you so much.
वाइफ मेरी इसलिए खुश थी कि मैं बीमारी के बाद अभी पहली बार बाहर निकला हूँ, तो कहती चलो इंटरेक्ट करोगे तो बहुत अच्छा होगा, तुम थोड़ा एक्टिव फील करोगे. तो थैंक्स अगेन.
thank you so much, sir.
You are really an inspiration for all of us. So thank you for it.
शिवंगी इज द लास्ट स्टूडेंट जो अभी रिसेंटली मेरे से पढ़ के गई है. ट्रेडिशंस पंतनगर के मैंने मेंटेन किए जब तक मैं हेड डिपार्टमेंट था. लाइव एग्जांपल खड़ी है. सेमिनार मेरे देख बगैर प्रेजेंट नहीं हो सकता. प्रीलिम का ओरल मेरे को दिखाए बगैर मेरी एब्सेंस में नहीं हो सकता. तो उसी का रिजल्ट ही था कि जब तक मैं हेड डिपार्टमेंट था, 2 या 3 स्टूडेंट हर बार ARS में सेलेक्ट होते थे.
Yes.
Which helping us to be
have some other extracurricular activities among the societies. So we would like to invite them for their, just to say the thank you for them for their contribution.
Our diamond sponsor.
From Lucknow, my journey started recently from Chandigarh, Lucknow, and then to Hyderabad. Otherwise, I have worked across the country, and I am feeling at home with all of my family members only. Chawla sir and all my nears and dears. Credit goes to our dear Amit to add me in this group and take money, lot of money from me. It's a very nice experience, and lot of memories are there related to Pantnagar. In the adult.
Yeah, but young adult. So, at the age of 62, I can feel like a senior citizen. So it's okay. So thank you very much, and it's great always to be back in Hyderabad. I currently live in Bangalore, but I've worked in Hyderabad for close to 7 years when I was working in NFCL. And it's great to catch up with faces, a lot of very familiar faces. So look forward to a great evening of interaction. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Kamal Pandey sir for the felicitation.
बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है। मुझे बहुत मोहब्बत है पन्नगर से, काफी टाइम मैंने लिया है, पढ़ाई करने में भी बहुत मेहनत करी हुआ।
5 साल 5 साल मेहनत किया।
पूरी सीपी एपी पूरा लेके आराम से लोग बाग एक्सपीरियंस लेने आते थे। सर ये सब्जेक्ट कैसे क्लियर होगा, ये कैसे क्लियर होगा, तो बहुत हेल्प भी करी मैंने। और इसका ये पंतनगर का हेल्प मेरे को अपने प्रोडक्शन डिपार्टमेंट में भी मिला। जोड़ तोड़ की राजनीति नहीं बदलना, अपने अनुसार चलना है। जैसे इलेक्शन हुए हमारे यहाँ,
मेरे ट्रैवल प्लान्स भी चेंज हो गए और आई वॉज फॉर्चुनेट इनफ टू बी हियर दिस इवनिंग एंड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ ऑल ऑफ you and the love and affection that we can see around here. It is certainly a great pleasure to be a part of gatherings like this, you know, where you see people whom you do not really meet in your day-to-day lives. क्योंकि हम लोगों को पंतनगर का एक नॉस्टैल्जिक रिमेम्बरेंस कनेक्शन तो रहता है, लेकिन अदरवाइज कुछ व्हाट्सएप मैसेजेस आ जाते हैं, कहीं कुछ किसी थर्ड पर्सन के थ्रू बात हो जाती है, कभी कभी डायरेक्टली फोन पे बात हो जाती है, अदरवाइज अपनी अपनी जिंदगी में सब। इट्स अ ग्रेट मेमोरी, ऑफ कोर्स लुकिंग बैक इट वाज अ फैंटास्टिक ट्रिप व्हिच आई हैड एट Pantnagar. I joined in 78 November, and of course immediately within 15 days Saturday closed, but we resumed again in March, and I went on to do my PhD after my MS from Pantnagar. So after that I was at ICRISAT for some time, but soon moved to the government ICR and then the CSIR 20 years. So after that, taking VRS, I was with the ITC, and ITC again 12 years. So it was a good overall this thing, and really Pantnagar, whenever I get a chance I do visit Pantnagar. And
यादें रह गई है, खामोशियाँ कह रही है, आंखें नम हो गई।
And the event was in its closure ceremony, and as they say, you can take a student out of the campus, but you can never take the campus out of the student. So today, as we came together from different walks of life, this gathering became more than just an event. It became a homecoming, a celebration of the journey we all began. So thank you everyone for watching my vlog, and it was all about a dedication to Panthanagar, my alma mater, and to all the respected seniors, juniors and my batchmate who made this event come out to be very colorful, very nice and very beautiful. And if you all really liked my vlog, so please do like it and comment it and tell us that what can all we do to improvise on it. And really thankful for attending this event. And if you like my vlog, please do share it among all the Pannagarians, so that next year whenever we meet, we can make it more grand, and we can involve more Pannagarians together and rejoice together with full energy and happiness. And so this was a mini event, a small get together where all the seniors, juniors, we met and had a great time. And thank you for watching my vlog. Take care, bye, and have a very great day and great life ahead. Thank you.